Whoa, 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 whoa. You ain't ready for what I'm about to show you guys right now. Look, I just made over $700 with affiliate marketing with these free methods that I'm going to teach you guys. But first, I want to show you how in the world that I'm about to pay off this credit card bill live with this $700 commission that I just created. This could be you. If you got a lot of credit card debt, if you got student loans, affiliate marketing is the way to go. If you want life to be Gucci, good, awesome, if you want more freedom in your life, look, affiliate marketing is phenomenal. It's the way to go. Some of you aren't really good at creating the results with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to help you with that. I'm not talking about something paid. I'm not talking about a paid course or nothing. But right now, I want to pay off this credit card real quick. Check this out. First, I'm going to go to PayPal and show you the $700 plus commission that I got. That's waiting for me to put inside my bank account. Then I'm going to use that same money and pay off my credit card. Let's check it out. You are now looking at my screen for paypal.com. Now I'm going to log in here very quickly. You're not going to be able to see my stuff. So let's check this out. I got a small little business account that I created within PayPal, and I'm logging into it. Looky here. Oh my God. Let me move this over here. $762.50. Look, all this just got deposited in my PayPal account. I believe it was like last Thursday or last Friday, somewhere around there. But this is extra money. I didn't really work for this. This is from a very simple method, very simple methods as well, as far as making money online with affiliate marketing. This is what's possible. I didn't work a 9-to-5 job in order to make this money. I probably worked less than 3 to 4 hours in order to make this money right here. And if you look to the right, you can see that I make big checks, not small checks, big checks, because I deal with high ticket items. This is what you guys can do. If you're a stay-at-home mom, if you're a college student, if you're somebody without any money, you're looking for methods to make money online without any money. Look, I'm doing this thing and I want to show you guys what's up. So now I'm going to put this money in my bank account. Let me move over here to transfer money. I'm going to move it from my PayPal balance. Yes, sir. I'm excited about this because I'm paying off a freaking credit card with all this money. I'm moving it to my bank account. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, sir. Look, if you guys are getting upset with me because you're saying, oh, it's just $762 and he's not making tens of thousands of dollars. How much are you making? How much is your job giving you for a bonus? You work your butt off so that you could get like a 2% raise, which barely equates to like $1 per hour extra. And I just did this in a couple of hours. Who's smiling now? And this isn't all that I make. I make money from all these other different methods when it comes to affiliate marketing as well. This is just from 2 checks. So I'm going to hit continue. Happy dance, happy dance. Transfer, happy dance, happy dance. Let's see. Transferred. That is what I'm talking about. So this is going to be transferred to my bank account. I'm going to hit pause. I need to see when this hits my bank account. When it begins to hit my bank account, I'll come back to you guys. I think I just got an email saying that it's transferring. Yes, sir. Transfer requests. We're transferring money to your bank. You asked to transfer $762.50. Look, this is what some of you guys have in student loans by itself. And you can just knock it out in one click. I'm going to hit done here because I'm done here paying off credit card debt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so I'm going to get signed in here. Of course, you're not going to see my username or my password because you're not going to break into my account. Think I'm crazy? Crazy. You crazy. Oh, snap. Wrong password. What's wrong with me? You're definitely not going to find out what I'm doing now. I'm playing games with you. I transferred $796.37 to one of my accounts because it's about to go down. So I just transferred the money from my PayPal and I moved it over into my bank account. That's how easy this is, guys. Technology has made things so simple, so fun to use. And so what I'm going to do, since this is in my bank account, I am now going to pay off that credit card. Holla at your boy. Man, I'm so excited about this. I never thought that recording something like this would be so much fun. So now I'm going over to American Express. Picture this being you. Picture whatever amount that your credit card debt is, whether it's small or big, and just being able to go in here and make the payment in one click. I can't believe I'm doing this myself. Making money never gets old. I don't care whether it's $5, $500, $5,000. All right, check it out. I got $622.67 of debt on this credit card. How long does it normally take you to pay that off, right? It's probably going to take you like a whole year because you're just trying to pay the minimum payments. Well, check it out. I can't believe I'm going to do this. Let me make this payment. Yes, sir. Man, I'm not making no minimum payments because I'm paying a total balance. One payment, guys. I've never done this before, by the way. The whole balance, guys, $652. Make the payment. Bang! Your payment has been received for your Blue Sky. Yes. Guys, I just paid off my whole credit card balance on this particular credit card. It's really, I have no words for how this feels. This type of thing does not get old because you can only imagine if you rid yourself of credit card payments, if you rid yourself of student loans, house debt, car debt. I mean, after all of that stuff, any money that's made is in your pocket. Visualize that, guys. Visualize that. So that's what I want to show you guys. You're able to learn you're able to do this with affiliate marketing. I teach it. A lot of people teach it. You can go on YouTube and find stuff, but just follow it up. I just want to give you guys some value because I want to inspire you so that you can do more and so that you can also pay bills online with affiliate marketing, making money online, building an online empire. I'm not even talking about millions of dollars. If I can help you make $20,000 a month, your life will radically change. So that's it for today. Check out some of my other content, emancipatiooccupation.com, or on Facebook, Operation Emancipation Occupation. And we'll see you guys later.